Should you eat roti at night time? The only answer is no. You should never eat roti. Eat it in the morning time, eat it in the afternoon time, or eat it by 6 p.m., never after 6 p.m. If you are hungry late night, you can still make your khichdi, you can still make your light meal for yourself, but not roti. Roti is very heavy. Your body cannot digest this much food at night time. Whenever I see that people are eating भर के खाना at रात को, दिन में खाना नहीं खाया और रात को बहुत heavy खाना खा रहे हैं, which is very bad for health, very bad for weight loss. So weight loss से पहले आती है health. Health is first in my diary. So if we are not focusing on health, if we are not following the habits that can give us health, so that particular thing will not even give us weight loss. When I see that people are eating dal makhani, shahi paneer and all of this food at night time with roti and parantha and lacha parantha and all of that, which is wrong. Breakfast कर लो उसका, lunch में खा लो उसको, पर अगर रात को खाओगे तो बीमारियां भी आएंगी, पेट भी बढ़ेगा और weight loss भी नहीं होगा. So absolute the answer is no. When you feel hungry, eat a light dinner. When you did not eat in the morning time, in the daytime, you are okay to eat a light dinner, maybe make a khichdi for yourself. But don't eat a heavy meal and roti, absolutely no. You can still include rice if you okay with that. You can include that, but never eat roti at night time. See, make your plan in such a way that you finish off your meal by 7 o'clock. That will happen when you eat properly throughout the day. If you have a corporate job, if you work and you cannot carry food, then carry ready to eat food, ready to eat snacks with you in your bag, so that your body does not go into that starving mode. Because what happens if you did not eat throughout the day, by the end of the day you will automatically feel super hungry and you would want to fill yourself up and you will eat so much more food, which will not give you weight loss. It will come between your weight loss goals and it will also destroy your health. So plan and discipline your entire meal, discipline your entire day, plan what will you eat during the day. When you are at home, that is very easy for you to plan and cook in advance. But when you have to step out, that is the difficult period, because you cannot really take so much stuff with you. Then carry easy to carry fruits, easy to carry nuts, easy to carry healthy snacks with yourself, so that you never have to eat a heavy dinner ever. So always remember, I will say, please don't eat roti at night time, just eat basic plain khichdi, basic dal chawal, keep your dinner light, keep some salad, try to finish off by 7, that's what I say. But yeah, you're okay to eat 8 o'clock, 8:30, just give a 2-hour gap after you ate your food. You have to feel lighter. See, listen to your body. Your body will tell you everything. If you are in tune with your own self, you can listen to yourself and you will feel that this food is okay for me at this time, this food is not okay for me. So try to be in more tune in with yourself. Well, that's a difficult thing to do. That will come very slowly if you are not in tune with your own self. But just always remember the basic rule, finish off your meals by 7. उसके लिए आपको प्लान करना पड़ेगा अपना पूरा दिन को, अपने डाइट को प्लान करना पड़ेगा कि दिस इज़ माई मॉर्निंग टाइम, दिस विल आई ईट एट 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12, 3, 6. When you plan properly, like आप और चीज़ें प्लान करते हो, plan this thing, and this way you can easily avoid your late night dinner and never eat roti at night time.